Hi everybody, we are doing partial products for multi-digit multiplication. We're going to do 14 times 52. So I encourage you to try the first couple of steps on your own. So pause the video, try a step, unpause, and check your work and see how you're doing, and you'll learn a lot more that way. But you can also follow along if this is still feeling new or overwhelming to you, and you'll get it soon enough. So the first step is to take this number 14, split it into its parts or expanded form. So that 1 is really a 10 and the 4 is a 4. So this is 14 in expanded form. Do the same with the 52 below. 52 is 50 plus 2. Now we're going to start multiplying. I like to start with the green box, and I like to go down and across to make sure that I multiply against both of the other number. Starting with 10 times 50. 1 times 5 with 2 zeros. So 1 times 5 is 5, 0, 0. So 10 times 50 is 500. I went down, now I'm going to go across. 10 times 2 is 20. Okay, I'm finished with the 1. It multiplied against the 50 and the 2. So I did 1 times 50, or 10 times 50, and 10 times 2. Next step is to do the 4, and we'll do the same thing, but I'm going to go across and down, and it makes like this bow tie here. So for 4 times 50, just do 4 times 5, and then put a 0. And be careful, because 4 times 5 includes a 0. 4 times 5 is 20, so that's what I mean when I say it includes a 0, because then I have to remember to put this original 0 back in. And then 4 times 2. All right, go ahead and add these up on your own, and then check it with me. So I got 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. And 5 plus 2 is 7, so we got 728, and that's how we do partial products with 2 digits times 2 digits. So I hope that's helpful to you. Feel free to keep watching the playlist if you want to practice more of these, and click on the description or the link in the description if you want to get the worksheets.